Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges. Today, we're tackling how to send BUSD from Bitrue to Binance. BUSD is a stablecoin that's super reliable for transfers, and with the latest updates in 2025, the process is even more secure and straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through this step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Binance. Double check that your BUSD is in your Bitrue wallet and that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. It's a must in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account and head to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your BUSD balance and click on the Withdraw or Send button. This is where the magic starts. Step 2. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. On Binance, go to your wallet, copy your BUSD deposit address. Remember, always double-check this to avoid any mishaps. Paste it into Bitrue's withdrawal form. Step 3. Specify the amount of BUSD you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, most transfers use the BEP20 network for speed, so select that if available. Review all the details like the amount, address, and fees before hitting confirm. Step 4. Once you confirm, you'll get a transaction ID. Keep an eye on it through your exchange's transaction history or a blockchain explorer. Transfers usually take a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log into Binance and check your BUSD balance. You've successfully transferred your funds. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount to ensure everything works smoothly, especially with the new regulations in 2025. There you have it. That's how you send BUSD from Bitrue to Binance. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.